Oh, don't record. Oh, Jiminy Christmas. You could have been a pound!
That was a bad rock to step on.
Hey, easy. Is it recording?
Let your battery die.
Oh my god, put another rod on there! Honey, you got the boat! You made it badass! Oh.
What'd you say?
You made it badass! Hey, hey, if it dies, I'm not swimming all the way out there, you dick rider.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Get it, get it. Shit. Don't drop your phone. Still recording?
Ooh, honey.
Is it off?
Yeah.
Okay, let the battery die. Here, pull the. Can you pull the camera off real quick? Oh shit! Lost my fog. That sucks. Okay, here. Pull that. Damn it! I gotta get another telephone.
Oh, look at it go now. Holy shit. Christmas! What did you do?
It got one of the batteries to the drone.
Oh, Jesus. Run to the ground, why don't you?
I thought the reverse doesn't work.
Oh, Jesus.
Where'd it go?
Oh my god. I didn't know it would go underwater.
No, I bought a submarine.
Why? Why? Jesus.
It's ass, doesn't it?
Honey, let's put a rat on there.
The rat will have a cardiac infarction.
No, wait. Why couldn't it pull something? Why couldn't we put a rat in a gallon Ziploc bag like in the abyss? And have it pull it? Because it would float.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Get that shit over here.
Oh shit. Grab it. I'm getting as close as I can. Oh shit. That was smoke. I'm not so sure that the battery's dead. I think it might be dead. I think we might have just killed it. Oh shit. Oh fuck.
Oh, your stuff got wet. It's not a submarine after all.
No, that's smoke. Look, there was a fire. Damn, man.
We'll fix it. You can fix it, right?
No, I think it's dead.
No, baby, you can fix that. It's just wiring. I can smell it now.
Oh, man.
You just fix it. No, Sarge.